Hey, amazing parents and adventure-seeking families! Today I want to shine a spotlight on the fabulous Babyzen YOYO2 Stroller. It's a dream, right? The compact design, the lightweight feel, absolutely fantastic. But let's be real, the price tag might not always fit every budget. So I've rounded up 3 stellar alternatives for you, all under $200. Yep, you heard that right. Let's dive in. At the third place comes the Cool Kids Lightweight Travel Stroller. Don't let its simplicity fool you. It's a travel companion that's easy on your back and your budget, affordable and efficient. Next, the Mom Push Lithe V2 Lightweight Stroller. This little gem is ultra portable and it comes with a newborn nest. Perfect for families on the move, all for an incredible price. Check out the Eco Self-Folding Stroller. Not only is it sleek and stylish, but it also boasts a fantastic self-folding feature. It is compatible with infant seats. And guess what? It's priced just right. Each of these alternatives offers top-notch quality and functionality, while keeping your wallet happy. Affordable and absolutely fantastic. What more could you possibly wish for? Don't forget to check the description below for the links to these incredible affordable strollers. And if this video helped you in your search for the perfect stroller, hit that like button, share it with fellow parents, and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and happy strolling!